Hello and welcome to Deskjet. In this video, we're going to be unboxing an ink cartridge. This is the HP Ink Advantage 678. Now, this is a black ink cartridge, as you can see by the big black dot in the center, and also they've actually mentioned it's black. On the front side of the packaging, you get the model number clear as day. On the side, you can see the compatible printers. So you have the 1015, 1018, 1515, and a couple of other printers going all the way up to the 4648. They've also mentioned that it's an original HP ink cartridge, and to attest to that, they have this little sticker, holographic sticker on the right hand side, as you can see, with a QR code on top of it, which you can scan to verify the authenticity. On the bottom, you just have the model number, or rather the ink number, and on the back side of the packaging, you have a massive sticker hiding everything of importance. You have some statement regarding how it was tested to give you this number, that is the 480 page count. So one of these cartridges is supposed to give you approximately 480 pages, and the way they tested it is mentioned over here, which we cannot read at the moment. Aside from that, we can also see some mention of the warranty statement. Again, you should check the Amazon store listing page to get exact details of the warranty coverage and what all is covered for how long. You also have the place of manufacture as well as the expiry date. Always check this before opening up your printer cartridge package. And that's all there is of importance on the package. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So inside you have a little plastic pouch within which the cartridge lies. And on the inside of the packaging, you can see a lot of notes being written. Now, this has to do with the warranty statement, and they've also provided customer support contact information. So this is all important information that you should be noting down. Now, if we come to the cartridge itself, again, it's clearly mentioned that it's a black cartridge. You also have the model number on the front. They've got little ventilation holes on the side of the packaging. And they have stated that you should keep this sealed until you're ready to use it. Now, this is an unboxing, so unfortunately, we'll have to open this up. This is the actual cartridge. You should be very careful of where you touch. So on the bottom, you have the printer head. Never touch the surface. It's also covered by a protective tape. And right behind the sticker, you have the contact pads for the printer. So this is where the printer makes contact with the cartridge. Again, this is also something you shouldn't be touching, and you shouldn't tarnish that edge. Now you can look at the form factor of the cartridge from the side. And on the top, you can again get the model number along with the color that is present on the inside. And that's about it. That's it for the unboxing of the HP 678 Ink Advantage ink cartridge. Thank you for watching.